Now, I'm just a cook. I'm not an online money guru like Susie Orman or Dave Ramsey. But even I know that if you're watching your pennies, and who isn't these days, a good place to start is by eating out less and preparing more meals at home. I mean, you'll save a bundle, and believe me, you'll eat much better too. And if you'd like some help with that, creating delicious home-cooked meals that won't break the bank, I've got a whole bunch of classes coming up that fit the bill perfectly, and you're going to love them. In fact, the first one is this Saturday, May 10th, in a class on homemade calzones. Now, I think that's the perfect place to start because a calzone in a restaurant is going to cost you 30 or 35 bucks after you throw in a couple of side salads and beverages and a tip and all that, and maybe even more if they deliver it. And I can show you how to make a calzone at home for a fraction of that. Now, we're going to begin with the world's easiest yeast dough, one that anybody, even you, can make. It's a snap. Now, we'll do a basic cheese and pepperoni stuffed calzone, but we're also going to go a little wild on the extras too and make one with spinach and olives and sauteed onions and whatever else we're in the mood for. Now, it's only fair to tell you that once you start making these at home, nothing else will come close. Now, the following Sunday, May 18th, we're going to downsize one of my favorite things to bake, quiche, in a class I'm calling a summer crop of mini quiche. Now, it's a simple concept. Summer gives us so much good produce to work with. So why don't we feature it all summer long in a revolving showcase of mini quiche? Why mini? Well, think about all the gatherings that you either host or attend in the summer where these cute little handheld tarts would steal the show. I mean, heck, think beyond summer too, to the fall and holiday season. And by the way, these are a breeze to transport and they reheat like a charm. So that's our May offerings, and I hope you can join us. We have an awful lot of fun in our classes. We always learn a lot, and we come away with oodles of cooking confidence and know-how. And remember, if you can't join us live, you can always join us later because you get free lifetime access to the replays and the recipes. You'll find the sign-up links below. Thanks for watching today, and I'll see you in class.